How to increase Lowe's credit card limit. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In order to increase your Lowe's store credit card limit, request it online or call 800-444-1408, and if your account has a good standing, you might receive an increase automatically. To improve your chances, pay bills on time for 6 months, lower your debt, and update your income. To request a credit limit increase online, log in, select Services, and then request credit increase. Enter your desired limit, confirm, and submit. You will receive a decision in seconds. You can also chat with the customer service for any assistance. Any approved limit increase takes effect immediately. You may also qualify for an automatic credit limit increase without making a request. If regular account reviews reveal a history of on-time payments and low debt, the issuer may offer this increase, which also involves a soft pull that won't affect your credit score. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.